To start a limited liability company, LLC, in Maine, several steps must be taken. The first step is to choose a name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or an approved abbreviation. The availability of the name can be checked on the official state website. If the preferred name is already taken, a DBA, doing business as, registration can be filed, allowing the LLC to operate under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. While it is possible to act as one's own registered agent, this is not recommended due to the complexity of the responsibilities involved. Many people choose to use a registered agent service to handle these tasks. Once a registered agent has been appointed, the next step is to file articles of organization, which include basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. This can be done by searching for the Maine LLC Certificate of Formation on the official state website and filling out the required documents. A state filing fee of $175 must also be paid at this time. After filing the articles of organization, an operating agreement should be created. This is a contract that outlines how the business will be run, including details such as profit distribution and member authority. A free, customizable operating agreement template can be obtained by answering a series of questions about the LLC. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses for the LLC, which will depend on the specific industry and activities of the business. Researching the required permits and licenses for the relevant industry can help determine what is needed. Professional assistance can also be sought to ensure compliance. After obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, including filing annual reports and keeping accurate records. Using a business bank account for all transactions is also recommended to protect personal assets in case of a lawsuit. Finally, an employer identification number, EIN, may be required if the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms. This can be obtained from the IRS website. To simplify the process and ensure compliance, it is possible to use a legal service that specializes in business formation. These services can handle all the necessary steps, including filing documents and obtaining an EIN. Using a legal service can save time and ensure that the LLC is set up correctly. The process typically involves filling out an online application, selecting a package, and paying the required fees. Additional services, such as bookkeeping software and initial consultations, may also be available. By following these steps and seeking professional assistance if needed, it is possible to successfully start an LLC in Maine.